East Java, a land where nature's artistry unfolds in a breathtaking harmony. From towering mountains to cascading waterfalls, every corner is a sanctuary of serenity. Hidden deep within the emerald forest of Probolinggo, Kalipedati Waterfall is a haven of tranquility. The sound of water tumbling from great heights, enveloped by lush greenery, creates an untouched paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Known as the Niagara of Java, Tumpak Sewu Waterfall is a magnificent spectacle of nature's grandeur, a towering veil of water cascades in a perfect harmony, creating a breathtaking panorama of raw, untamed beauty. At the foot of Mount Semeru, the pristine waters of Kapas Biru Waterfall shimmer like silk in the sunlight. A challenging trek through rugged landscape leads to this hidden Jawa, where nature rewards the bold with an unforgettable sight. At Coban Pelangi Waterfall, magic comes to life. As sunlight dances through the mist, a radiant rainbow appears, painting the falls with mesmerizing hues, a rare spectacle of light and water, where nature unveils its most enchanting masterpiece. More than just a destination, Coban Rondo is a place where nature and legend intertwine. Wrapped in a lush greenery, this waterfall whispers an age-old tale of love and longing, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its timeless charm. Wrapped in a mystical allure, Putuk Truna Waterfall is said to hold the secret to eternal happiness. Its crystal-clear waters and refreshing atmosphere offer a peaceful retreat perfect for those seeking solace in nature's embrace. For centuries, Sedodo Waterfall has been referred as a sacred source of blessings and prosperity. Plunging from a towering 105 meters, its powerful streams invigorate both body and soul, leaving every visitor renewed by its timeless energy. East Java, a land where waterfall weave a story of wonder. Its drop carries a whisper of history. Its stream flows with the rhythm of nature's song. Let's explore and protect these hidden treasures for the generations to come. East Java, a timeless wonder awaits.